Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix ZArchiver can't use this folder problem. 1. Check permissions. Open settings on your device. Go to Apps, ZArchiver, Permissions. Ensure storage permission is enabled. 2. Grant access to the desired folder. Open ZArchiver. Navigate to the folder you are trying to use. When prompted to grant access, tap Use this folder and confirm by selecting Allow. 3. Check default storage location. Go to ZArchiver settings. Check the default archive folder path. Ensure it points to an accessible folder in your storage. Example, internal storage, downloads. 4. Ensure the folder exists. Use a file manager to confirm the folder exists and isn't corrupted. If not, create the folder manually and try again. 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, restarting can fix temporary glitches affecting folder access. 6. Reinstall ZArchiver optional. Uninstall ZArchiver from your device. Reinstall it from the Google Play Store. Set up permissions and test again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!